Presenting Colorx. Color stories at your fingertips. Colorx is a very useful tool to quickly create numerous color stories on a given knit design image or a scanned fabric image.
With the increasing demand for digital presentation, Colorx immensely helps to reduce the knit downs, and also helps to communicate your color ideas across the board. The whole concept starts with a quick replacement of colors.
We take a scanned knit fabric image to demonstrate. Color replacement is a simple drag-and-drop process.
The colors for replacement can be dragged from the loaded color palette.
You can create your own color palette and use it for color replacement.
Let's replace colors of this fabric image.
Adjust the tolerance bar to include range of different tones of the image color.
Also adjust the brightness bar to match light effects of the new color with the image color.
There could be multiple drags to get complete replacement of the color. Colors are replaced, keeping the texture and light effect details in the original image intact.
Once the colors are replaced, you can quickly get numerous color options. Let's demonstrate.
Press the Auto button at the top to create color stories.
The colors are picked up randomly from the choice of your own color palette. And so on.
You can save any image of your choice by right-clicking on that image and selecting the Save Image option.
Let's save a few images. The image gets saved along with its color chips for further communication.
With Colorx, you are never short of color stories.
Thank you for watching.